And today we're going to begin making our leaves on our warm colored collage paper. To do so, we're going to begin with pencil, and I'm going to try to challenge you to make each leaf about the size of your fist. This will make sure that they're nice and big and will be easy to see once we glue them on our background paper. Now you have the choice. You could do one of each of the three types I've taught you how to draw as of now, or you could pick your favorite and do all three that way. So I'm going to start first making kind of that oak leaf. Now I do have the steps that you can follow along with. I've done these a lot, so for the sake of time, I'm going to just kind of go through a little bit quicker for us. Like so. Add my stem. And don't forget those lines inside the leaves. That's what really kind of gives it that finishing touch, in my opinion. Now you can see it pretty well on here. If you can't, don't worry. At your table you should see a little glow from your pencil. Now if it is too hard for you to see what you're doing on top of the collage paper, you could flip your paper over and draw on the back. However, that makes it a little bit harder to kind of tell what colors will be on your leaf once you cut it out. By drawing on the top here, I can kind of pick and choose spots that really kind of stand out to me. So your first job again is to draw at least 3 leaves. Once when you're done drawing all 3 and they're about the size of your fist, come up and show me and I will give you a Sharpie to trace. Make sure your Sharpie works really well because these black lines are really going to add to the overall effect at the end, and it will really kind of help them pop out once we put them on our cool color background. So I even want to trace the inside lines too. So like so, you'll do that to all 3 leaves, then you're going to cut them out. I went ahead and cut some out already to speed this up. So you can see when you're cutting, one good thing to kind of think of is to try to leave that black outline. So you notice sometimes I even cut around it. I left a little bit of extra paper by it, but I want that black outline. That's going to really help it in the end. So I want to try not to cut away that. Now that I have my 3 leaves cut out, I'm going to set them aside. And I now need to decide if I want blue, green, or purple to use as my background. Once you've made your choice, you're going to grab some oil pastels to add just a few extra details to this space. Kind of looks empty by itself, so we're going to use some of those cool colors to just take it to that next level. And there's really no right or wrong way to do this. I'm just going to add a few different types of lines and shapes with at least maybe, let's say, 3. But let's see if I can't do a few more things. Maybe I'll have a star, another swirly line. You decide. I went ahead and made one with blue paper already so you can see how it turned out. So, again, no right or wrong way to do this. We're just trying to fill up all areas of the paper with a few more lines and colors. This way, it will just kind of add some more excitement to our leaves when we put those on. Now, your final step is just to glue these on in kind of a neat way. Don't just put them all on just like so. Think about what's called composition. Try rearranging them in some different places until you got it just right. Maybe I want one leaf going this way, one maybe turn that way, and one here maybe. Try a few different options, and then when you're happy with it, grab a glue bottle and glue them on. Please, when you put glue on the back, remember we don't need to cover this whole thing. Just try to go right around the edges and then hold it down for at least 10 seconds per leaf, making sure that nothing peels up after you let go. When you have them all glued on, come show me and have fun.